Good morning, Toronto. Morning, Kuya Neo. Neo, liga bilis. Breakfast na tayo. Yeah, bro. Breakfast. We'll ask. We will ask. Oh, there's sausage. Cute. Oh, there's bacon, Neo. You want bacon? Yeah. Oh, omelette. Peanut butter. Marmalade, orange marmalade, cream cheese butter. So yun yung options nila for breakfast. Yung cereals din. Coffee. The cutest Tabasco. Ang cute! Look at that. Kita ba? Oh, cute. Si Bacon Boy. Ate, what are you having? Just bacon? There's croissant, ate, dun, oh. Bilis. This is what I'm having. And this is our view. Wow! Hey. Sobrang cute. Si Heinz. Tabasco, Nutella. Ah, kinuha na yung Nutella. Cute. Back in the room. Ang guwapo naman. Birthday mo pa rin ba, Mia?
Yes.
Yes! Oh, so ano next natin gagawin today? Ha?
Go home.
Go home?
No, punta tayo sa aquarium.
Sa Ripley's Aquarium. First time namin lahat.
Yeah.
Yay! Dahil birthday ni Neo at request mo yon, pupunta tayo doon. Okay? What's that?
Like this.
Check out. Yeah, drop it here. Where to go?
Beside the bar, we'll take you down there and bring it over right here. They'll take care of it. Okay?
Neo. Punta na kami sa aquarium. Where's your room? Saan yung room mo?
There.
Wait!
Only there up to the sky.
Go, go, go! Ang una. First time naming lahat. Ripley's Aquarium.
Maraming ano yung outlet ng damit ko.
Where?
Dito,
Sa baba?
downtown.
Outlet?
Oo, mga bilihan ng damit.
Oo.
Iba pala yun.
Diyan kami nagstay. Open. Yay! Mia, Excited ka na?
Tayo?
What?
Okay, let's go home na. Nakita mo na yung aquarium.
Let's go, let's go. Give it to them. Go. Go. Oopsie. Thank you. Bye.
Pero tilapia, Leo. Leo, big tilapia. Di ba Leo lang yan?
Real. Hindi yan fake. Totoo yan.
That's TV lang yan.
No, it's not. No.
It's not TV, it's real. You want
Oh. Oh.
to go inside?
It's a real aquarium na hindi yan TV.
Leo, hand sanitizer. Leo. Iris, hand sanitizer.
Hi.
It's scary.
Akala mo dead? Kanina kasi daddy oh my god. So fat. Oh my gosh. Anong fish yan? Flounder! Di ba flounder yung friend ni, Ni Ariel. So it's... Atlantic cod. Neo. Yun siya, Neo. Neo. Sea Raven. Yun yung name niya. Sea Raven. Hi, Sea Raven. Yung mata niya nasa isang side lang. Dad, kasi ganito sila ganyan sila. Ganyan sila umano. Look. Oh my God. Oh, naawa ko sa kanila. Oh, he's pretending. What?
Press the center button again.
There you go. Oh, wow. Are you the captain of the ship? Ano ba yung kelp? Wow. Rockfish. Laki. Oh, wow. Oh, clownfish. What? Nice. Wow. Daddy, dito tayo mag-picture. Ni, picture. Why kaya dangerous? Oops, sorry. Oh, may shark. Si Kuya.
What?
Oh, there. Oh my God. That's so scary. Oh my God. Ayun. Ano yun? Anong shark yun? Oh, smile ni Daddy. Smile. Smile kayo. Dad.
What's that fish called?
Hammerhead. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. That's so scary.
I wanna follow it.
Hey. Oh, there's two here. What is this? Ano to, Daddy? Oh my God, this is so big. Neo! Look at that! Goliath grouper. Sobrang laki. Ito, ano ba to? Bangus. It's not fake, baby. Oh my God. What's in here?
Pwede ba ako dito?
Yeah, of course. Ano mo meron dyan? Can you even fit, Kuya? Kuya. Si ate. Nahirapan ka lang? Pang kids lang siya. Ano na to? Oh, submarine. Oh no. Oh yeah, how to get Remy? Okay. Wow. It's a different one, Neo.
Seahorse.
Neo, look at the seahorse, Neo. Hala, ang dami! Neo!
It's Moana's grandma.
Yeah, okay, okay. Oh, may shark din, Daddy. Oh. Baby shark, Neo. Neo, there's a baby shark. Look. Hammerhead. Ang dami nila. Tired na sila, Neo. They're tired. See, alive sila, oh. See? Oh. Oh. Upside down jellyfish. Wow. Okay. Wow, ito yung ano nila, water system. Para i-maintain yung aquarium. 1.5 million gallons daw yung ginamit nilang water. You're making a tornado! Be careful, baby. Oh my gosh. No, Neo! Neo! Neo, turtle! Thank you. Going home.
You're a remember the story?
Yes. Beatrice. Dito kami sa Beatrice. At kakain muna kami out of Minerva. Oh. Yeah. Order tayo yan.
Ladies first.
Only
Yang chow. Oh, ano ba to? Fried rice. Ang tag dito di? Kamchatang. Kain na na. So, meron kaming fried rice. Kamchatang. Korean barbecue. That's it. Ano?
Sa fresh boy.
Beatrice. Beatrice kami sa may Mississauga. Monday, walang tao. Very good.